Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make fresh cream like Amul. To begin, select full-fat milk, ideally with a fat content of at least 6%. This higher fat percentage is crucial for achieving a rich, thick cream. Next, chill the milk thoroughly in your refrigerator for at least 8 to 12 hours, or even overnight. This extended chilling period allows the fat globules to rise and form a distinct layer at the surface, making separation much easier. Once your milk is well chilled, it's time to separate the cream. You can carefully skim the thick layer that has risen to the top using a large spoon or a small ladle. Be gentle to avoid mixing it back into the milk. For a more efficient and consistent separation, especially if you plan to make cream regularly, a mechanical cream separator can be a valuable tool. Aim to collect as much cream as possible while leaving the skimmed milk behind. After separating, you'll have a rich, thick cream. To achieve a smooth, uniform consistency, gently whisk the collected cream for a minute or two. If you desire an even thicker cream, you can gently warm it over low heat, being careful not to boil it, and then re-chill it completely. Conversely, if your cream is too thick for your preference, you can thin it slightly by stirring in a small amount of the skimmed milk you separated earlier, 1 teaspoon at a time. Proper storage is key to enjoying your homemade fresh cream. Transfer the cream into a clean, airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. For the best quality and flavor, aim to consume your freshly made cream within 3 to 5 days. This versatile ingredient can elevate many dishes, from enriching creamy curries and soups to adding a luxurious touch to desserts, or simply as a delightful topping for fruits and baked goods.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.